What is up guys, Zertus Gaming here, back with another AFK journey video. So today I'm going to talk about 5 units that are going to be extremely overpowered once you acquire the right magic charms for them. Now, these units are Arden, Hewin, Rowan, Odie, and then Brutus. Okay? So let's start off with Arden. So Arden, once you'd be able to acquire 3 magic charms that would provide skill power stat, okay? Skill power stat, that means that he would be able to gain or extend the duration of his entangling roots by another 0.75 seconds. And that actually is quite useful and quite decent because right now my Arden's entangling roots only last for like 3 seconds. For me to gain another half a second more, that would mean that I would need to upgrade his weapon to EX plus 15, which would require 200 temporal essences, which I do not have. So that is a way for me to extend the entangling roots by another 0.75 seconds, which is actually a huge deal. Okay? On top of that, you would also be able to gain 9 more energy for every enemy unit that is controlled. Now, I usually use Arden with Iron. Iron's ultimate immobilizes the enemy team for 6 seconds, and usually there are 5 units in the enemy team. So that is 24 energy times 6 seconds times 5 units. You're looking at 720 energy gained within the next 6 seconds. And that would make make Arden cast his ultimate faster. Okay? And on top of that, if he is able to complete the set, that would mean that he would be able to also gain another 250 energy after casting the ultimate. So this is an absolutely huge deal because you have an extended entangling roots duration by 3.75 seconds now in total. You'd be able to cast the ultimate faster because you'd be able to gain energy faster because of the magic charm in itself and the set bonus as well. So that's overpowered. Second one is Hewin. Hewin with a 3 set magic charm that would provide skill power, Hewin would be able to cycle revitalize faster. Before the magic charms, she would be able to cycle revitalize every 8 seconds. So she would be able to heal allies um, who has HP below 50% every 8 seconds. With the magic charms, she's able to cycle that every 5 seconds. She would be able to dispel the debuffs every 3 seconds now, 6 minus 3. And extra healing would also occur every 3 seconds as well. And this is a huge deal if she would be able to cycle Revitalize every 5 seconds because every time she does cast Revitalize to an ally, she also provides haste, especially if you have Hewin at a Supreme Plus level. So that's insane. Okay? Third one, Rowan. We all know Rowan. Rowan's ultimate gives energy to the whole team. With the magic charms, Rowan would be able to provide another 90 more energy for the whole team. So that means that, the ultimates will just cycle faster. Okay? Um and the cascade spell that which I also coined as overpowered. You'd be able to put that with on Rowan, and if you have these 3 characters, you'd be able to cycle the ultimates at a very fast rate, right? The fourth one is Odie. Odie is already overpowered. He's used in most content, right? And he's going to get even more overpowered. because with OD, the poison stacks would become 26 stacks. That would mean that it would be easier for OD to um, eliminate or reach the threshold wherein you would be able to execute the enemies, right? So that's OD. And then the fifth one, and I think the most overpowered of all, is Brutus. If you have the three set magic charms for Brutus, his invincibility would increase from 5 to 8 seconds if you don't have him at Supreme Plus. If you have him at Supreme Plus, it's going to add another 4 seconds, meaning Brutus would become invincible for 12 freaking seconds. And in those 12 seconds, you can do a lot of things already in your backline. You already can cast your ultimates, have your Hewin cast his or her damage reduction ultimate, have Arden cast his ultimate entangling roots, right? So I think with these 5 units, you'd be able to use this one to climb the AFK stages with a huge deficit, I believe, right? So this is just a preview of what's going to happen, but essentially, so I'm going to show you guys. But essentially, this team here would be commonplace if you have the magic charms for them, right? Now I don't have the magic charms for them right now, but then I could really see that with the magic charms, this team here would become extremely overpowered, right? Now, we still don't know how easy or hard enough it is for us to acquire the right magic charms. However, what's good about them is that as of right now, though, there is no way for you to buy magic charms specific to a unit. You'd have to farm Juras Trials. So it's fair play for everyone as of this point in time, unless Lilith Games would give us the opportunity to buy these charms using real money. But as of this point in time, you can't. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you found something useful in today's video. And if you do, please do like, subscribe, and comment below. You all have a good one. Zertus Gaming out.